Let us now study the chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. Now, when we talk about alcohols, we see two of the properties being exhibited. One is that an alcohol acts as a nucleophile as well as it is found to be acting as a electrophile. Now, what do we understand by nucleophile and that of electrophile? Let us see this or understand this with an example. Here we have alcohol. This is a carbocation. There is lone pair of electrons which are present on oxygen. This makes it electron rich and hence it goes to attack a electron deficient site. Here we understand that a alcohol being electron rich is now attacking a electron deficient site. Thus it goes to form this particular intermediate which further loses a hydrogen ion, giving you a carbon oxygen linkage. So here in this case you find a cleavage which is occurring between oxygen and hydrogen. This nature of alcohol showing a electron rich character, here thus we call alcohol as nucleophiles. Let us see now the electrophilic nature of alcohol. Now when we call alcohol to be electrophile, here alcohol abstracts a hydrogen ion and thus it goes to form a protonated alcohol. This is a protonated alcohol. What is protonated alcohol? A alcohol with a hydrogen ion. Okay, so it bears a positive charge over here. Now, since over here this protonated alcohol is carrying a positive charge, this carbon thus can be attacked by a electron rich species. Okay, so here this has become electron deficient, thus it can be attacked by electron rich species, and you find a cleavage which goes to occur between carbon and that of oxygen. Thus water is formed as a byproduct over here, and what you obtain is a haloalkane as your product. Now in this particular case you are finding a cleavage which is occurring between carbon and oxygen. Here is this carbon and oxygen. Thus we are going to deal with the chemical properties of alcohols, wherein alcohols nucleophilic and electrophilic nature will be studied.